Here we are back in the barn. That pile of wood has now miraculously reassembled itself one by one in a pile in the horse stall. That I refer to as Nord Stream 1. Considering recent geopolitical events, Nord Stream 1, I think we have room for Nord Stream 2. There is 6 bales of hay and grass mix for the goats. Should last 4 or 5 months. There's more bedding. Probably going to get 4 more bales of hay, straw for bedding as they go through it, and we have to replace it. So, Nord Stream 1, do we want Nord Stream 2? I think we do.